everyone, and welcome back to the White Wolf channel. This is the part 2 for our demolition thing. You know, I have not found any torque bits yet, sadly. Aha! I know where one might be. Luke's brought in a container of bits. There it is. Torques. Babies. Big babies. Come here. You son of a gun. Get on out. Dang it. Why are you not wanting to come out? There we go. Torque. There. Focus. Focus. There we go. People sometimes classify a star bit, but it's actually a torque. It's not a star because it has 6 different sides. Wait, maybe. Yeah, it has 6 different sides.
Hey, I got some awesome utensils that we could use. I call it 1, 2, bargade.
Bargade. 3. You need to come up with some awesome sounding names.
The bargade.
Let's pound this thing in. Other than my boots. These are my composite toe. Well, actually, no, just complete composite boots.
That is called the push stick. If you can see, I told you the bargade.
You got the impaling sticker back there. All right, let's get back there. You got some boards unscrewed. Finished unscrewing. I'm gonna show them the inside. We haven't completely cleaned the inside. We're using our rototiller, and we're gonna be tilting up everything. Everything, I'm telling you. These bees are not gonna be very happy. Hey, bees! Your house is gonna get destroyed if it's in here. We've seen them going in and out very much. Alright, so.
Stop! Do not!
I'm testing it, dude. Quickly.